Thanks for completing the preparation, and I hope you have learned all the procedures for this home recipe to take place. Remember, this home recipe will change your life forever, by the way, starting from today. So the more you take it, the more you experience good results. But before I proceed, my dear, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and of course invite your friends to this YouTube channel. Easy Tips. But remember, my name is Coach Uganda as usual, and by the way, don't forget, women, pregnant women and children are not supposed to take this home recipe. You get me? But you, I want you to take this home recipe or to drink this home recipe 30 minutes before going to the bed. Trust me, you'll experience good results only. You know me, Coach Uganda, what I give you, it works. So take it 30 minutes before going to the bed. Trust me, good results only. Why not subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, invite your friends to my YouTube channel, Easy Tips. And remember, my name is Coach Uganda. See you again to the next video. Bye bye.